Hi students, I am back. Today I am going to show you opening and opening trap. Three part in the game: opening, middle game and end game. Today I discuss about opening. Many types of opening. Now I show you Scotch opening. Now start. E4, E5, NF3, NC6, D4, E into D4, knight into D4, F6. Idea: capture the pawn. NC3, defends the pawn. Bishop B4, N into C6, B into C6. Bishop D3. Idea: castle. D5, E into D5, C into D5. White castle, save the king, and black also castle. Same move. Now Bishop G5, pinning the knight. Bishop E6, knight B5. Idea: next move, knight D4, C5. Stop the move. A3, attack the bishop. Bishop back. Bishop A5, B4, attack. Again attack bishop. Bishop move back. Bishop B6, B into C5. Now bishop into C5. Queen F3. Pressure the knight. A6, attacking the bishop. Bishop capture the knight. Bishop into F6, Queen into F6, Queen into F6, very normal move, and G into F6. Still now position is equal. Now Scotch opening is finished. I arrange the board. Now show you some opening trap. First let's start Alekhine defense. It's very interesting opening. E4, NF6, NC3, D6, Bishop C4, knight into E4, Bishop into F7 check, King into F7. Now white move, very normal move, knight into E4, E5, Queen F3 check, King G8. It's very bad move, very bad move. King G8, knight G5. Idea: next move, Queen F7 checkmate. White idea, but black stop the checkmate. Queen F6 also bad move. Next white turn, Queen B3 check. Bishop E6 only move. Then white play queen into e6, queen into e6 and knight into e6. White then a piece, one extra piece, bishop. Now finish opening trap. Now show you another opening trap. Same opening, Alekhine opening. E4, F6, NC3, D5, E into D5, knight into D5, bishop C4, NB6, bishop B3, bishop move back, NC6, NF3, bishop G4. Black should try E5. Bishop S7. It's very good move. King into F7. In G5 check. King G6. Queen into G4. White gain one pawn and black king is very bad position. Okay students, this is finished opening trap. So students, today class is finished, done. Keep your practicing properly. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you students.